Is your bathroom feeling cluttered and outdated? Want to upgrade it without a full renovation? Don't worry. Just a few smart accessories can instantly transform your space into a stylish and functional retreat. From luxurious bath essentials to clever storage solutions, I've got the best picks for you. Stay till the end to find budget-friendly and high-end accessories that will make your bathroom feel like a spa. Let's dive in. Shower curtain hooks. Tired of your shower curtain getting stuck? These rust-resistant double-glide hooks allow smooth and effortless movement. Made from durable metal, they're built to last, even in humid conditions. Plus, they come in a sleek nickel finish to match any bathroom decor. A simple upgrade that makes a big difference every time you step into the shower. This product is available for just $6.99. Shower curtain liner. A high-quality shower liner is a must-have, and this one does the job perfectly. Waterproof, mold-resistant, and lightweight, it keeps your bathroom fresh and clean. The rust-proof grommets and magnetic bottom ensure durability and a secure fit. Say goodbye to messy, flimsy liners. This one is built to last. Get it now for only $7.97. Shower caddy. No more messy shower bottles. This no-drill shower caddy comes with strong adhesive to hold all your shampoos, soaps, and razors in place. Its rust-proof design ensures long-term use, and the black finish adds a modern touch. Organizing your shower essentials has never been easier. Grab it today for just $19.99. Luxury bath mat. Step out of the shower onto pure softness. This ultra-plush chenille bath mat is absorbent, quick-drying, and non-slip for maximum safety. Whether you're looking for comfort or functionality, this rug checks all the boxes. Plus, it's machine washable, making it easy to keep fresh and clean. A little luxury for your feet every morning. Available now for just $29.96. American Soft Linen Towel Set. Want to bring hotel-quality towels into your home? This 6-piece set is made from 100% Turkish cotton for ultimate softness and absorbency. The sage green color adds a spa-like vibe, making your bathroom feel extra cozy. Wrap yourself in luxury every day. Get this premium set for only $39.99. Adhesive hooks, 4-pack. Looking for an easy way to hang towels, robes, or even kitchen utensils? These matte black stainless steel adhesive hooks stick firmly to walls, providing a strong hold without drilling. Sleek, modern, and waterproof, they blend perfectly with any decor. A simple storage solution for any space. Grab a set for just $9.99. Quiet close toilet seat. Say goodbye to noisy toilet lids. This Kohler elongated toilet seat features a quiet close mechanism that prevents slamming. The contoured seat and grip-tight bumpers add extra comfort and stability. A simple yet effective way to upgrade your bathroom instantly. Upgrade your toilet experience for just $36.52. Toothbrush holder with toothpaste dispenser. Keep your bathroom counter clean and clutter-free with this all-in-one toothbrush holder. It features automatic toothpaste dispensing, 4 rinse cups, and 5 toothbrush slots. The wall-mounted design saves space and keeps everything organized. Plus, it's perfect for families or anyone who loves a tidy setup. Get yours for just $17.99. Slim storage cart. Need extra storage in a small bathroom? This rolling utility cart fits perfectly in narrow spaces, providing extra room for toiletries, cleaning supplies, or even rolled towels. The wheels make it easy to slide in and out, offering convenience and organization in one stylish solution. Available now for only $20.99. Bathroom accessories set, 24 pieces. Transform your bathroom with this complete accessories set. It includes a matching shower curtain, trash can, soap dispenser, and more. Everything you need for a coordinated look. If you're looking for a quick and stylish upgrade, this is it. Get this all-in-one set for just $59.99. Hair drain catcher, 2-pack. Clogged drains are a thing of the past. This silicone hair stopper fits most showers and bathtubs, preventing hair from going down the drain while allowing water to flow smoothly. The suction cup keeps it in place, making it easy to install and remove. A small investment that saves you from expensive plumbing bills. Order yours today for just $6.99. Stainless steel squeegee. Keep your glass shower doors spotless with this high-quality squeegee. The stainless steel handle provides a comfortable grip, while the flexible blade ensures a streak-free finish. It's perfect for shower doors, mirrors, and even car windows. A simple tool that makes a big difference in keeping your bathroom clean. Available now for only $13.50. Electric spin scrubber. Hate scrubbing tiles and bathtubs? This cordless electric scrubber does the hard work for you. With 8 replaceable brush heads and dual-speed settings, it tackles soap scum, grime, and dirt effortlessly. Plus, the extension handle makes cleaning high and low areas easy. Deep cleaning has never been this quick and efficient. Upgrade your cleaning routine for just $29.99. Caulk tape. 3 rolls. Protect your bathroom from water damage with this waterproof caulk tape. It's perfect for sealing gaps around sinks, bathtubs, and showers, preventing mold and mildew buildup. The self-adhesive design makes installation a breeze. Just peel and stick. A small upgrade that makes a big impact. Get this essential tape for only $9.99. LED bathroom mirror. Give your bathroom a modern makeover with this sleek LED mirror. Featuring front and back lighting, anti-fog technology, and adjustable brightness, it adds a luxurious touch to any space. Whether you're getting ready in the morning or setting the mood for a relaxing bath, this mirror is a game changer. Available now for $269.99. Waterfall faucet. Upgrade your sink with this elegant waterfall faucet. The oil-rubbed bronze finish adds a sophisticated touch, while the large spout creates a smooth, soothing water flow. Easy to install and built to last, this faucet is both functional and stylish. Enhance your sink for just $57.99. Cockador Reed Diffuser. Enhance your bathroom's ambiance with this elegant reed diffuser. The white jasmine scent creates a calming, spa-like atmosphere, perfect for relaxation. Plus, the stylish glass bottle doubles as decor. A perfect finishing touch to complete your bathroom upgrade. Get it today for just $14.39. Slim bathroom. Trash can. A small bathroom doesn't mean you have to compromise on functionality. This 1.6-gallon stainless steel trash can features a soft close lid to prevent noise and a removable inner bucket for easy cleaning. The step pedal adds convenience, making disposal hands-free. Perfect for bathrooms, bedrooms, or even offices. Available now for just $24.98. Toilet paper, 12 double rolls. Upgrade your bathroom essentials with Scott Comfort Plus toilet paper. Designed for strength and comfort, this one-ply tissue is septic-safe and ultra-soft, making it a must-have for every home. With 12 double rolls, you get 231 sheets per roll, a long-lasting, budget-friendly choice for your household. Stock up for just $5.68. Star Drops. The pink stuff. Struggling with soap scum, limescale, or stubborn stains? The pink stuff, Miracle Bathroom Foam Cleaner, is a streak-free multi-purpose solution that easily removes dirt and grime from tiles, bathtubs, and sinks. Just spray, wipe, and enjoy a sparkling clean bathroom. Get yours today for only $5.97. And there you have it. These must-have bathroom accessories will instantly upgrade your space, making it more stylish, organized, and functional. Which product is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to grab any of these items, check out the links in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more home decor tips and must-have recommendations. See you in the next video.